In today's video, I'm going to show you the best controller setup, map layout for American Truck Simulator. The same thing can be applied to your Steam controller as well as your Xbox One controller, but I'm going to show you what I use that works best for me when I use the PS4 controller. Alright, so as you see here on the screen, you will see my map layout for American Truck Simulator. Now, I do have a wheel now, so I don't use the controller in the game anymore, but when I was using the PS4 controller, this is the setup that I had. Now, again, this will work for the PS4 controller as well as for the Xbox One and for the Steam controller. I know that Steam offers support for the generic controllers. I haven't tested any of those controllers before, so I am not sure if they will work 100%. The only one that I did try outside of the name brand ones was for the Amazon Ballistix controller, and that worked. But that's here nor there. This is just going to be specifically for PS4 controller, the Steam controller, or the Xbox One controller. We're going to start with the directional pad. You know, as you'll see, the how I got it set up, basically D-pad up, left, right, and down. And for the D-pad up button, I have it set to look up to center. Basically, the whole directional pad is going to be for directions, you know, for a directional look. The only thing that's different is the D-pad down, which I have that set. Sometimes I set it to wipers, or sometimes I set it to light modes. You know, when you turn on, you turn off your lights, high beam, low beams. But for D-pad right is obviously to look right. D-pad left is to obviously look left. D-pad up is to center yourself. The trigger and the bumper buttons. Basically, I have the left trigger set to my throttle, or it's actually set to my brakes. I'm sorry. And my right trigger is set to my throttle or acceleration button. My left bumper is set to my left turn signal, and my right bumper is set to the right turn signal. Let's see what else. My triangle, square, X, and circle buttons. My triangles, I have it set to my hazards. My X, sometimes I set it to trailer brake or trailer attachment. Usually it's the trailer attachment. The square and the circle will always either be cruise control or the retarder. Whatever I set for one, I do the opposite for the other. My steering button, which is the left, whatever you want to call it, the left mouse, I have that set to steer. And I have my right thumbstick set to look around, like a look around camera. So this is pretty much my whole setup. If you have anything that you would edit, let me know. This is my setup for the PS4 controller.